Like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel Geology Online Guru. Hi friends, hello. This is Yatish Kumar. Welcome to Geology Online Guru. In the first video, we discussed about the total Protozoa nodes and also explanation. In this video, we will discuss point to point, bitwise total Protozoa bit bank.
Before going to BitBank, now we will discuss about the conjugation in Protozoa. Now, conjugation in Paramecium.
The sexual mode of reproduction in the paramecium. Most important topic. Paramecium undergoes sexual reproduction by conjugation. The two strains of paramecia participating in conjugation are called preconjugates. They attach their ventral side, dorsal. So ventral side, the ventral they are attached. So the attachment is ventral, and these two paramecium are called preconjugates. They are called preconjugates. They attach ventral side, and during the conjugation, paramecium stops feeding and buccal structures disappear. Disappearing of the buccal structures is the first step in the conjugation process. After the formation of the cytoplasmic bridge, these two paramecia are called conjugates. So macronucleus breaks into fragments and absorbed into the cytoplasm. Micronucleus in diploid condition, thus four haploid daughter micronucleus are created. So each conjugate divides by meiosis. Means one paramecium or one nucleus divides into four haploid, four micronuclei created. So these conjugates, micronucleus, first division is a meiotic division. So in the meiosis, one nucleus divides into four, and the chromosome number also cleaved into half. That is why actually the micronucleus in the diploid condition, 2n condition. That's why four micronuclei are created in the four. Out of four haploid daughter micronuclei, three micronuclei degenerate. So three degenerate. Only one is live status. Next, the one micronucleus divides by mitosis. Now, second division is mitosis division. Here, this one divides into two micronuclei. So it creates the unequal pronucleus. So it's not equally mitosis only, but it produces the unequal two micronuclei. Smaller one is called migratory gamete nuclei. So it's important. Smaller one. This is a smaller one. It is a migratory, larger, stable. It cannot move. The complete fusion of two nuclei from the two different nucleus is termed as amphimixis. Amphimixis. A large and a small created in the one of the paramecium. In the second paramecium also there is a large and small is there. Small is the migratory, large is the stable.
The movement and exchange of smaller migratory nucleus takes place and forms a single zygote nucleus in both the conjugates is called amphimixis.
So after the amphimixis, the two paramecium separates. That is called, and then those the two parameters are called X conjugates. Each X conjugate, the zygote nucleus synchorion is divides by mitosis by 3 times and produce the 8 nuclei. Then this is the synchorion, also called zygote nucleus. It divides by mitosis. Divides by mitosis. How many times? 3 times. So first mitosis creates two nuclei. Second mitosis creates four nuclei, and third one creates eight nuclei. So totally eight micronuclei were created after synchorion. After amphimixis, fourth step is mitosis of synchorion. Mitosis of synchorion, and in the mitosis it takes place 3 times and produces 8 nuclei. So this is the one of the important step. Out of 8 nuclei, 4 are modified into macronucleus. Remaining 4 becomes the micronucleus. So in the 8 nuclei created, in the 8 nuclei, they divides into 4 nuclei modify into macronucleus, and another 4 converted into micronucleus. So 4 macronucleus were created. So out of 4, 3 micronuclei degenerated and only one micronucleus is present. The one micronucleus undergo binary fission and produce two daughter paramecia. A single micronucleus and 4 macronuclei, like this. So first binary fission creates two paramecium, and micronucleus also undergo mitosis. So mitosis, this is the binary fission. So here the macronucleus cannot undergo any nuclear division. Only micronucleus only undergo division, that is called mitosis, and total paramecia under binary fission. That is why the 4 macronuclei are shared in two paramecium. So one paramecium, another paramecium, one micro, two macro, one micro, two macro.
In this condition, it once again undergoes binary fission and produces 4 daughter paramecia. That means each X conjugate produces 4 daughter paramecia. 4 plus 4 means totally 8 paramecia are created at the end of the conjugation.
Woodruff and Jennings not supported that rejuvenation by conjugation. Actually, conjugation gives the rejuvenation, the new characters, the shining into the paramecium. But Woodruff and Jennings not supported this statement. W. F. Diller described the nuclear reorganization in the paramecium aurelia. Nuclear reorganization takes place in a single individual paramecium. W. F. Diller called nuclear reorganization as a autogamy. So, what is autogamy? Paramecium aurelia contains two micronuclei. First, meiosis takes place and produces the 8 nuclei, because each one produce the 4. So 4 plus 4, 8 nuclei created, out of which 7 nuclei were disintegrates, and then the remain one micronucleus undergo mitosis. Hence produces a two gamete nuclei. Autogamy rejuvenates paramecium. R. Wichterman reported a cytogamy in paramecium chordatum. Paramecium aurelia, autogamy. Paramecium chordatum, cytogamy. Cytogamy is a sexual process. Woodruff and Erdmann in 1914 first of all reported endomyxis. Endomyxis. Endomyxis is observed in the Paramecium aurelia. Four daughter Paramecia created from a single parent. In the endomyxis, four daughter Paramecia created from a single parent. Th. Sanni-Born discovered kappa particles. Pi particles are the mutant from a kappa. Mu particles, these are also killer particles. Lambda. Lambda particles also kills the sensitive paramecia. Now, and one more thing, if you are watching this video, you have 50% off for purchasing of this content. I will give the promo code at the end of this video. Otherwise, in the description also is there. Okay, if you are entering this promo code, definitely it will give the flat 50% off, and you can purchase this content and also download and print. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And now we are entering into the Protozoa bit bank one by one. The first bit. The following is a dimorphic one. Dimorphic means morphologically two forms are present. Euglena is a single, amoeba also single, and Polystromella. This is the Polystromella. Macro and micro forms, two forms are present, and Paramecium, it is a not dimorphic, dikaryotic, also called heterokaryotypic, means two different types of nucleus are present. But in the Polystromella, two different forms. The question is morphological forms. So Polystromella D is the answer. Next, RBC is present in the food vacuole of. RBC is present in the food vacuole of amoeba, entamoeba, trypanosoma, leishmania. So entamoeba histolica is the intestinal parasite, and entamoeba histolytica eats the RBC. So by using the hemolysin, an enzyme, and it cleaves the large intestine wall, and the oozing blood RBC, it takes as a food material. That is why in the Entamoeba histolytica food vacuole contains RBC. Entamoeba histolytica present in rectum, small intestine, stomach, mouth. So mouth is not the answer. Coming to the small intestine and the large intestine, Entamoeba histolytica is the parasite in the rectum. So that is the large intestinal parasite, but it is a large intestinal rectum parasite. Okay, answer is A. Fourth one. The function of contractile vacuole. The function of contractile vacuole in amoeba is for excretion, digestion, osmoregulation, A and C. So whenever the contractile vacuoles is there, they are in amoeba. Contractile vacuoles are for excretion. They remove the waste, and also for the osmoregulation. That is why A and C, that is D is the option. Sol gel theory was first proposed by, is most important common thing. Sol gel theory was first proposed by Hyman. Sol gel theory was supported by Pantin and Must. And Yogi and Marshland, this Yogi and Marshland, they gave gel and salt transformation theory. Gel salt transformation theory proposed by, given by Yogi and Marshland. Pantin must supported the salt gel theory discovered by the Hyman. The DNA of amoeba is a eukaryotic organism. And coming to the what type of DNA is present, is double stranded, single stranded, circular, or plasmid like, is double helix in nature. It is a double helical DNA. Answer is B. Destruction of nucleus in amoeba results in amoeba. There is no natural death to amoeba because there is no demarcation between the somatoplasm and germplasm. That is why if destruction of nucleus, what happens in the amoeba? Nothing will happen but slowing down the metabolic activity. Amoeba was first described by Amoeba was first described by Rozanoff, Leeuwenhoek, Must, Lance. Answer is Rozanoff. Amoeba is a aminotelic, ureotelic, uricotelic. Amoeba lives in the water. That's why most of the aquatic animals, they are aminotelic. 11th question. The digenic parasite from protozoa. So it can live in two different hosts. That is called digenetic parasite. Entamoeba histolytica is a monogenetic because coming to the Plasmodium vivax, it was a dangerous malaria fever, and this Plasmodium vivax maintain two different hosts, mosquito and human beings. That's why it is a diagenic protozoan. Amoeba immortal. It can be explained by germplasm theory. So germplasm theory proposed by already in the genetics Weizmann. So Weizmann proposed germplasm theory. Basing on this theory, amoeba is immortal. Plasma lemma, the cell membrane of protozoans, is also known as plasma lemma. Plasma lemma of amoeba is, answer is C and D, is not given C and D. So best answer is C and D. If an amoeba kept in the distilled water, then it becomes swollen and full of water. The medium inside the food vacuole of amoeba is, first it is acidic in medium and then convert into the alkaline. Leishmania causes Leishmania donovani commonly. So leishmaniasis is the disease. Common leishmaniasis means here malaria from the Plasmodium, dysentery from the amoeba or amoebic dysentery and amoeba, sleeping sickness from the Trypanosoma gambiense, and that is why option A, Kala Azar, the disease from the Leishmania. Black fever is caused by Plasmodium, Leishmania, Giardia, Trypanosoma. Leishmania causes the Kala Azar, and also that is also called black fever. Intermediate host of Leishmania is a digenetic and two hosts are there, human beings, and another is a Phlebotomus argentipes. Leishmania is an intracellular parasite of leukocytes, hepatic cells, and the cells of spleen. Leukocytes means a WBC. Leukocyte means WBC. Hepatocytes means these are the liver cells, and the cells of a spleen, that means spleen cells. So it can invade all these sites. So answer is D, all. Reservoir host of Leishmania is dog, jackal, squirrel, all. 20th answer is D. It can maintain its life as a reservoir host as a dog, jackal, and squirrels also maintain this leishmania. Leishmania causes Kala Azar, oriental source, Esfandia is a disease. So all these three diseases are collectively known as leishmania. So option D is the right answer. Trypanosoma or Trypanosoma gambiense causes. So beriberi is the one of the vitamin disease. Malaria by the Plasmodium vivax. Scurvy also one of the vitamin C deficiency disease. So answer is sleeping sickness. African sleeping sickness. CC fly. CC fly is the vector of the disease typhoid, Kala Azar, Gambian fever, oriental source. So Kala Azar and Oriental source is from the Leishmania and typhoid by the bacteria. So Gambian fever is the answer for the question. CC fly is the vector for the disease means Gambian fever. The reservoir host of Gambiancy, Trypanosoma gambiense is rat, pig, man, CC fly. CC fly is the it is intermediate host. Here asking about the reservoir host. What is the reservoir host for the Trypanosoma gambiense? That is the option B. Pig is the answer. Chagas disease is caused by Trypanosoma gambiense, Trypanosoma cruzi, Trypanosoma evansi, Trypanosoma rhodesiense. And here option B, Trypanosoma cruzi. Trypanosoma gambiense causes sleeping sickness. Rhodesians also cause the African sleeping sickness. Trypanosoma evansi causes Surra disease, whereas the option B is the Trypanosoma cruzi causes this Chagas disease. Which of the following is the true about Trypanosoma gambiense? It is a monogenetic, polymorphic, facultative parasite, non-pathogen, and it is a polymorphic. 27. Trypanosomas finally invade. All the trypanosomas finally they invade the cerebrospinal fluid. Surra disease in cattle is caused by Trypanosoma evansi, the Phytomastigophoria. The class is Phytomastigophoria. Connecting link between the plants and animals, Euglena. The virus is also one of the connecting link here, where living and non-living. Reserved food in Euglena is form of a paramylum diet question. Lactoflavin. Lactoflavin found in which part of the Euglena? Lactoflavin is one of the is a chemical present in the paraflagellar body. Linnaeus is associated with binomial nomenclature, yes, cytology, cell biology, Lone Leeuwenhoek, histology, Marcello Malpighi, and inheritance. Already you know about the Mendel. So the answer is binomial nomenclature. Every organism must contain two names. One is the genus, second name is the species. This is called binomial nomenclature. The 10th volume of his book Systema Naturae
deals with the binomial nomenclature.
radial symmetry is best seen in any plane passing from the central axis that can make the organism exactly equal halves. That is called radial symmetry. And best answer is the starfish. Interbreeding animals of the members of the same are called species. Interbreeding animals members of the same species. Identify the species here. Carnivora or carnivore, not Canis. Canis familiaris. Yes, this is the species name. Canis familiaris. Mammalian is the class. So, best option is C. In which character vertebrates differ from invertebrates? Coelom, tail, dorsal tubular nerve cord, brain cord. Dorsal tubular nerve cord. What is the basic unit of classification? Is a simple question. Already you know the best answer is the species. Is the best answer. Which is the matching set in classification? All are belongs to phylum Arthropoda. So option D is the best answer. Pseudocoelomic animal is Ascaris. First act in the taxonomy is naming, description, classification, identification. You have to identify the new organism, then naming, then coming to the description and classification. Phylogenetic classification is based on common evolution. Yes. Radial symmetry is generally exhibited by the best answer is which are aquatic animals. Artificial system of classification was first adapted by yes, first time he adapted artificial system. Dobzhansky and Mayer related to the species concept.
Bit number 45. Eumetazoa include and Selectata is the best answer. Question number 46. Radial symmetry is usually associated with. Best answer is the aquatic life is the organism. Paramecium cardatum bit bank. Paramecium belongs to the order. Order is here. Hymenostomatidae is the answer. Paramecium lives in fresh water containing decaying organic matter. Yes, correct answer. Scum, somewhat correct. Aquatic plants, definitely correct. Option D is the best answer. All. The largest species in the genus Paramecium is Paramecium cardatum. Choson. It is a slipper shape that is called choson. Arranged in order. Option A is the best option. Caudal tuft means option B is the best option. 9 plus 2 pattern is seen in cilia. There is a 9 plus 2 pattern. Flagella. There is a 9 plus 2 pattern. So both is the answer. Trichocyst and infraciliary system both are present in the ectoplasm. So option C is the best option. The common cell organelles are located in paramecium at endoplasm is the answer. Zoochlorella, a unicellular algae present in the endoplasm of Paramecium bursaria is one of the green paramecium because of the Zoochlorella, a unicellular algae present in the endoplasm. That's why it looks like a green color. Option C is the best answer. In Paramecium chordatum, infraciliary system contains kinetodesmata, kinetosome, basal body. All are correct. So, self-duplicating structures, plasmids, kinetosome, mitochondria. Option D is the right answer. Trichocysts are first seen in Paramecium. The answer is Paramecium. Ellis, scientist, first observed this trichocyst first time in the Paramecium. Ellis. The protein present in the trichocyst is trichinin is the name itself. Trichinin is the protein present in the trichocyst. Trichinin is a which type of protein? Some of the fibers are present in this trichinin. Those fibers are responsible for the opening of the trichocyst. So it is a fibrous protein. It is a fibrous protein. Paramecium is a unikaryotic, heterokaryotic, akaryotic, none. Paramecium is a heterokaryotic, macro and micro two nuclei are present. So, question number 63. Two micronuclei are present in Paramecium aurelia. In the Paramecium aurelia, two micronuclei are present. Macronucleus in Paramecium derived from micronucleus. The somatic or vegetative nucleus for day-to-day activities, it is macronucleus. Bean-shaped nucleus in Paramecium chordatum is the macronucleus is the answer. It is a bean-shaped one. Many micronucleus are present in Paramecium multimicronucleatum is the answer. Many nucleoli are present in Paramecium aurelia. In Paramecium chordatum, nucleolus is absent in micronucleus. So in the Paramecium chordatum, in the micronucleus, nucleolus is absent. A single nucleolus is present in micronucleus in A. Answer is A. Paramecium aurelia. Next, the number of nucleoli present in the micronucleus of paramecium chordatum. Nucleoli is absent. That means option C is the correct answer. Polyploidy and many nuclei present in macronucleus. Reproductive activities in paramecium chordatum controlled by micronucleus. Fixed position contractile vacuoles are present in paramecium. Contractile vacuoles are located at endoplasm. Non-contractile vacuoles are called food vacuoles. Food vacuoles are renamed as gastrioles by Wolowski. Nemadesmal bundle fibers are associated with paramecium oral apparatus. Yes. In paramecium, membranelles are made up of. So membranelles are made up of 4 rows of 3 bundles of paniculus. See, ventral paniculus, dorsal paniculus, quadrillus. Option D is the best answer. The cell anus for ejection of waste is also called as cytopise. Cilia in paramecium useful in feeding, defense, swimming. Yes, all these things. Feeding, defense, swimming is the answer. Trichocyst in paramecium was first seen by Ellis. Ellis observed first time the trichocyst. The movement of cilia in progress manner like a wave-like metachronal. Wave-like means metachronal rhythm. All transverse cilia beat at a time simultaneously is called synchronous rhythm. Answer is B, synchronous rhythm. The type of nutrition found in paramecium is holozoic in nature. The chief food of paramecium. Option C, bacteria. The type of nutrition found in paramecium Berseria. Berseria is a green paramecium. That is why the answer is holophytic in nature. Is correct answer. The color of paramecium Berseria is green color. The symbiotic algae present in the endoplasm of Berseria are Zoochlorella. Selective feeding property of paramecium chordatum identified by option C, must. The lysozymes in the food vacuole secretes yes, protease, carbohydrates and lipase. All three enzymes are secreted by lysosomes. Respiration and excretion in the paramecium is carried out in diffusion. So all are in the movement according certain source is called option B, taxis. Match the following type of movement with their source. Answer is E, F, D, C, G, A, B. Binary fission takes place in paramecium during stable conditions. 96. In binary fission of paramecium, the structure disappear. Oral groove and buccal structures both are disappear. The micronucleus of paramecium cleaved during the binary fission by mitosis. The macronucleus divided during the binary fission by amitosis. Proter opists are associated to paramecium. The group of genetically identical daughter paramecia are called clone. C. Sexual reproduction in paramecium is called conjugation. In conjugation, the paramecium exchange of micronuclear material takes place. The two paramecia involving a conjugation are called. So best answer is the conjugates. 104. The two paramecia in conjugation united at option B, ventral side. So the structure disappear during the conjugation are buccal structures. 106. The fate of macronucleus in the conjugation is absorbed into cytoplasm. 107. In the first step of conjugation, micronucleus divide by meiosis. After disappearing 3 nuclei out of 4, one of the micronucleus divides by mitosis. In the two unequal pronuclei, the migratory nucleus is, so answer is smaller one. Synkaryon is the process of formation of a zygote nucleus by the fusion of smaller pronuclei of one conjugate with stationary gamete nucleus of another conjugate. Formation of zygote nucleus in paramecium is termed as synkaryon. In each X conjugate, the zygote nucleus is divided by mitosis in 3 times. Each X conjugate produces 4 daughter paramecia. Total daughter paramecia developed at the end of the conjugation are 8. The last step in conjugation of paramecium is A and C are the answer. Best answer is the binary fission. Conjugation is induced by B and C answer. Next, the size of conjugating individual is smaller than the normal. That's the pairing conjugates in conjugation are isogamous. Rejuvenation by conjugation is not supported by Woodruff and Jennings. Autogamy conjugation in a single paramecium observed by autogamy. It is a conjugation in a single paramecium observed by Diller. Autogamy is observed in Paramecium aureli. Conjugation without nuclear exchange is called autogamy. Cytogamy in Paramecium chordatum is identified by endomyxis was proposed in 1914 by Woodruff and Erdmann. The total daughter paramecium developed at the end of the endomyxis is 4. They are kappa. Gene responsible for kappa particle is gene K. Identify the shelled protozoan. Shell containing protozoan is the Polystomella. Elphidium is the best answer, and other name is called Polystomella. Okay friends, we are stopping here. Thanks for watching this video. Like the video, share the video, and subscribe my channel Zoology Online Guru. To download the content regarding notes, Protozoa notes and Protozoa MCQ, in the description there is a link provided to purchase the content. Use the promo code ZOGYK1 to download it with 50% off. Please download the content and give your comments in the comment section. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.